guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. And in today's video, we're going to be doing the Jeffree Star mystery box. Now for this one is the Supreme one, so this is the big one. This was the one that was the most money. I figured out which one it was because the other one said deluxe on it because it had a size. So, I'm super excited. You guys voted on my poll on Instagram if I should post Monday through Friday, and we already had a video go up today because it's Monday today, and now we gotta post every day because I got these bad boys in the mail, and that is what we are going to do. So, without further ado, let's get right on into the video. Like I mentioned, this is the Supreme box. I always like to do the big box first. I mean, at least that's what I wanted to do for this video for this time. So the first video is the big box, and we're going to open this up. You guys know I struggle opening up all his boxes, but it's this cute pink packaging, and it's got hearts all over it because it's for Valentine's Day. This is actually pretty heavy, so I don't know what's in this, to be honest, but it is pretty heavy. All right, so we opened it. I gotta... What do you guys see in here? All right, sweet. All right, this is sick. So the first thing we have in here is a bag, which I think this is actually really cool. This is the conversation hearts. So you have one that says, "I'm gagging, can't relate, Jeffree Star approved, iconic, and hi, how are you?" and the Jeffree Star logo. Now this is super cute. I will be using this. This is a bag. This is what it looks like. Super cute. I really do, really do like this. And next thing we got is one of his like satchels he just came out with. So let's open this up. He came out with this maybe a little bit ago, but this is what it looks like. It is a bag. Now I like this. I've never had one of these, obviously. This is what it looks like. So it's like a little side thing. I think it's really cool. Like this honestly is like the perfect color. And then it just says Jeffree all over it. And I really like that. And then you open it up. It's actually like pretty decent size. And then you could put stuff in it. It's got like a mesh bag right here. This is pretty cool. So like I said, this is a burgundy, and you have the Jeffree Star logo right on here. So this is pretty cool. All right, next thing we got is a pop socket. This is in pink. Nothing wrong with getting a pop socket. I mean, you get what you get. So that's awesome. The next thing we have is, I'm pretty sure this is Blue Blood, which super excited for. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna throw it in the big box. All right, so this is Blue Blood. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. Now I'm not really gonna open this for you guys because I will show you my own. So let me go get my own. So I have my own Blue Blood to myself because I bought it when it came out. So this is what she looks like. She's a beautiful blue coffin, as you guys know. She's got this blue clasp. She is my favorite palette of his, and you look at these shades all in them. So let's get to swatching. I will swatch them for you. So we have Cullen, Mint Tea, Crystal Flush, which is my all-time favorite. I'm Cloud, and then Untouchable. His pigmentation on these palettes is insane. So this one right here is Cullen, Mint Tea, Crystal Flush, I'm Cold, and Untouchable. We need to make a point. That's what these look like, and obviously some of them are pastels, so they're not going to be as pigmented, but you can go over them more in swatches if you want. I just know that I already know what they look like as well. So next we're going with Priceless, Power, Blue Blood, Deceased, and Ice Tray. That one. And Priceless is close to my skin tone. So it's going to be hard for it to come up on my hand. Just a little FYI. That was such a weird swatch I did. So this is Untouchable. This is Power, Blue Blood, Deceased, and Ice Tray. So those are those shades. We're on the second row. We're almost done with the second row. This palette's super pigmented, super crazy. Also, if you guys had not seen yet, check out his Instagram because he posted his picture of the palette that's coming out, and it's purple and it's called Bloodlust, and I'm super excited. But the next shades we're going in are Blue Monday, Flourishing, Wealthy, Celebrity Skin, and Entitled. And I need to redo Celebrity Skin because I jabbed it back into the palette. So, Wealthy, you're not going to be able to see it all. Celebrity Skin's going to go up here. Going here. Alright, so this is Blue Monday. Then you have Flourishing. Then I put Wealthy is like right here, but you can't see Wealthy because it is my skin tone. Then we have Celebrity Skin. And Entitled is right here. You guys know this is my favorite palette. I'll say that literally all the time. I'm literally losing my voice already. My Shane mug that I love to death. The next shades we're going in with are Ocean Ice, Cremated, and Undertaker, Ocean Ice. So, Undertaker, Cremated, Ocean Ice. That's what those look like. They look so freaking good. These are the swatches. You guys, if you've not seen it, I will have it linked up here, is my ranking all 11 Jeffree Star palettes. So I really do love this. I think it's insane, and I love how he's actually giving palettes, especially palettes that are part of the Blue Blood collection or the Blood Sugar line, because that's basically what all these palettes are that are coming out. Like the new one that's coming out, it's basically part of that. So this is super exciting, and I'm super happy. And now my hand is dyed blue. So, no one let me put my sleeves down. But this packaging is super dope and sick. And like I said, I swatched my own palette, not one that you guys, not the one that's not opened. So, we have more items in here. Okay, the next thing we have is something in here. I don't know what this is. I really don't know what this is. This is, oh, we have not gotten a highlighter palette yet in one of these. All right, Jeffree, let's go. This is the Brain Freeze Skin Frost Pro palette. This is Take Your Glow Everywhere, Blind the World, 6 shades, vegan, cruelty-free. When applied, glow can be seen from outer space. So this is what the packaging looks like, super sick. And this is what the back looks like. Now, because I am a Jeffree fanatic, as you guys know, I also own this, so I'm gonna grab mine and swatch it. This palette right here is my all-time favorite of his Skin Frost that just came out this summer with Jawbreaker. So this is what the packaging looks like. It literally reminds you of like one of those firecracker, what are those called? Firecracker popsicles. This is what it looks like, and as you can tell, the star and the Brain Freeze logo have like snow on them, and then the Brain Freeze is kind of, you can like feel it, like if you move your hand on it, you can feel it. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You do have a mirror, which is sick, and you have 6 beautiful shades that are literally for every skin tone. So we have Cold Shoulder, Gold Breaker, which is this sick one with like a Jawbreaker type theme in it. And then we have Cocky and Statuesque. And these are gorgeous. So this is Cold Shoulder, Gold Breaker, Cocky, and Statuesque. That is, if my camera will focus, but it's so blinding. This is what it looks like. So this is Cold Shoulder, Gold Breaker, Cocky, and Statuesque. Super gorgeous and beautiful. And then the next two we have our Frozen Fruit, which I'm obsessed with in the summer, and Freeze Tag. That is what these two look like. So the next ones are Frozen Fruit and Freeze Tag. And this is what they look like. So freeze tag, frozen fruit, then you have statuesque, you have cocky, gold breaker, and ice shoulder or cold shoulder. And cold shoulder is actually different than his what am I trying to say? Different than his ice cold skin frost. But this is sick. This is one way to get literally 6 of his amazing highlighters in one palette. Like for one cost, one palette. So we got freeze tag, and like I said, we got brain freeze, and like I said, did my own. So the next thing we have in here, we're getting rid of. We have more of that. So the next thing we have in here is a velour liquid lip scrub. Well, it's not a liquid lip scrub. It's just a velour lip scrub, and we have it in lemon icebox cookies. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, so this is from summer of 2016, I think, if I'm correct about the packaging. Look at how reflective it is. You can literally see me in there. All right, so box gone. So this is what this looks like. Let me smell it. Let's see if it literally smells like lemon icebox cookies that you get from Girl Scouts, or that you used to before they got rid of them, and I think they brought them back, but they're not the same. Not the same. So this is really good. I love using his lip scrubs, especially when my lips are like beyond dry, where it's ridiculous. This, literally put it on at night, sleep, wake up, lips are super perfect, and they're no longer super dry. So super excited about these, and the smell is literally fantastic. All right. And the next thing that we got are some liquid lips. So we got Restraints, which is this color, and I do not have. I'm super excited. So I don't have it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is what Restraints looks like. Super like silvery, but more of a gunmetal to me. That's what it looks like. And of course it's metallic, which is phenomenal. And we're swatching it. Oh my goodness, guys. This is insane. Look at that. So gorgeous. Okay, so that is Restraints. The next one we have is Blow Pony. So let's swatch this one. I do not have this one as well. This is what this purple one looks like. I love how I'm getting purple ones. This was definitely like, one, it's Valentine's Day, but two, I feel like it's kind of like a teaser for his new collection that's coming out. Oh my goodness. This is Blow Pony. That is the purple. I'm a sucker for purples. Everybody knows that. And the next shade we got is Mistletoe, which is part of his first collection that he came out with. So I'm actually happy that he made these in single shades, because this is from his first ever holiday launch. So this is sick. So let me show you guys the cap, because it's different than the other ones. The other ones are his classic pink. And let's swatch this one. This is gorgeous. The swatch kind of got a little weird because I didn't really shake it, so that was on me. But this is Mistletoe. Very gorgeous. I really, 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 really do like it. The next thing is we have two glosses, and one of them is the mystery gloss, so we're going to save that. But this gloss is ice cold, and I don't have this. This is his gloss. This is Two Finishes Glitter, Fantasy, and Extreme Shine. Juicy and delicious, and it's an iconic on its own, or put it with every lipstick. So let's... I don't have this one, and I'm super excited. So this is it. This is the gloss, and this is an ice cold. First off, his packaging is sick. Absolutely love it. So let's swatch this. And oh my, it is so glittery, which is sick. Let's see, focus, focus. That's what it looks like. It is just plain on, like you can see the glitter on it. Plain on glitter. Super sick. And this is the mystery item. This is in Soft Core Sparkle, and I'm super excited, but this is the packaging. First off, I'm probably keeping this packaging. This is sick. Let's open her up. Let's be careful not to destroy the packaging. All right. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is the gloss. This is the shade that it is in. Holy crap. This is so beautiful. Oh my, Jeffree, you're killing it. Oh my goodness, this is it right here. You can see the purple. It's like a purpley pink, and it's got shifts of blue in it. So my camera battery died. Are we surprised? No. So what I was gonna say is that this gloss has like purples, pinks, and blue gloss, like glitters in them. And this is so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. This is sick. Okay, I saw a lot of people saying that they were like disappointed, and I was like, this is sick. This is purple. Like, do you expect, if it's a holiday, do you expect him to do anything other than the color of the holiday? We have one more item in here. The last item in here is a mirror. This is a Jeffree Star approved mirror, I'm assuming, because that's what it says, and it's in baby pink chrome, which these literally just launched, and I'm super excited because I didn't buy them, obviously. So, let's open her up if I can get her. Oh no, we're ripping boxes. I mean, it's gonna get tossed anyway, the boxes, but oh jeez. Oh my goodness, this is it. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. This says Jeffree Star approved in pink chrome. This is absolutely sick. I love his little mirrors, and the fact that this is one of his like brand new mirrors that literally just launched makes me even more excited. I love this. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. All the stuff that came in the Supreme mystery box is absolutely amazing. Even the bag with the conversation hearts on it, I think is really cool and innovative. I know someone's probably going to complain about it if they get it in it when they open it, but it's seriously super cool. Like, it's also here's my thing. He doesn't have to do these mystery boxes, so they're also a mystery, but he doesn't have to do them, but he does anyway, which I think is sick. So alright guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. The Supreme mystery box from Jeffree Star was sick, absolutely worth all the money, especially because of the two palettes, the Blue Blood and the Skin Frost Pro palette, and then the lips, and then the mirror, of course. That was so worth the money for it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Click that notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video. Get ready for a full week of videos because you guys asked for it, so I am giving you a full week of videos. And click that subscribe button and join the fam. Our goal is to hit 2,000 subscribers. I think we're at 1,793. I think that's what we've stayed at. So if you want to subscribe and join the fam and come along with us on this journey, I would love to have you guys, and you'd get to see my crazy face normally 3 times a week, but this week we're going all out and doing a lot because I want to get these Jeffree Star mystery boxes out for you guys. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.